Welcome to another interesting episode at Oh Mind Your Body, where we are going to talk about something very interesting that we all want to really know, and we all struggle with all of these aspects. So, welcome. Thank you guys for joining in. Thank you, Bhavesh. How are you doing? Thank you. Hi, Priyanka Bhavi. How are you doing? Hi, Sohil. Hi Nishant. Yes, thank you guys for joining in. So let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Dwani Gala. I am the founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi across Mumbai and teach you all amazing people how to make some amazing sushi and some healthy foods. So we are doing a 24 episodes of live series where we are going to talk about health and things and stuff around and about health, basically how to live a healthy lifestyle. And today we are doing it in collaboration with the Yellow Bowl, and both of us are trying to educate you all in the best way as to how we can have the best of health with minimalist of efforts. And we try to give you guys some home stuff or easy remedies how you can manage your health in a better way and an effective way. And we're trying to give you that knowledge and that awareness where Google also wouldn't be at par. So this is out of experience, sure experience that has taught us, and we are getting this information to you in a very very subtle way, which is Instagram live. So let's quickly get started with our today's topic is what and why are vegetables so important. Let's get our very own dietitian and nutritionist Riya Doshi, the founder and owner at Yellow Bowl, on board with us, and let's get started. So thank you guys, and it's a great pleasure to have you all. Thank you to each one of you all for joining in today. Hi, how are you? Oh my god, we
Hi.
both have on red today.
Exactly. When I just saw you, I was like, Are and all my posts for this week is red.
Oh, amazing.
So I don't know if you've noticed, but whatever my post colors are, okay, I have a particular post colors for the week, and I wear that for my life.
Interesting. Oh, that's
So
interesting.
that's what yeah. So next
So
time
yeah,
you will know what color to wear, right?
yeah, I think we should coordinate on that.
Yes. Tell me,
So
dear.
yes,
How are you?
thank you. I'm good. How are you? Yeah.
Awesome, as ever.
So let's quickly start with our today's topic, and let's start
Yes.
with what are different types of vegetables that one can include in our daily diet, Ria?
So vegetables, as all we know, is a plant source. Okay, it comes from plants. Okay, and there are different types of vegetables, and I think most of us know about it. And the different types of vegetables. One, A is your water-rich vegetables, water-filled vegetables. Okay, जैसे your दूधी, your turai, kakdi. Okay, so these kind of different vegetables. Okay, then you have a second type, which is your roots and vegetables, okay, which grow below the ground, which most of the Jain do not consume.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, so your carrots, your sweet potatoes, your potatoes, onions, all these are root vegetables. Okay. Then there is a third category, which is called as the dark green leafy vegetable. Okay. So, obviously, as the name suggests, it is, leaves palak, methi, amaranth, sua. Okay, for that matter, even fresh herbs are considered to be leafy vegetables. And the fourth category, which is miraculous category, okay, which also I'm going to talk in elaboration about it, and that are called as microgreens. Okay, they are a small teeny weeny version. Bonsai देखा है? Bonsai का जो बड़ा पेड़ का जो छोटा version है, so these big leaves के छोटे version, okay, is microgreens, which also is under the category of vegetables. I mean, leafy vegetables. Okay, so we'll talk about it
So
in
all
detail.
this, are we done with this? Because I want to ask something on this. So
Done.
what is bhindi
Okay.
and all of these subsies? They come under what category?
They can come under your general, normal beans hai, bhindi hai, cabbage hai. So there are different kind of cruciferous ye wo, but जो majorly हम सब खाते हैं, they are categorized under this. So see, every vegetable cannot have a category, fits under one category. It's
Right,
not like
right,
that.
right.
But this is what we generally have, in our routine.
Perfect. So let's quickly get to a second question is why is it so what is it so healthy about the vegetables? What is it in vegetables that it is so healthy?
So talking about vegetables, okay. So without vegetables, how you want, how one can feel. Mask पहना है ना सबने. Okay, claustrophobic. कैसा लगता है? You're not comfortable, right? Same way, your body inside, not outside, but inside feels claustrophobic without the presence of vegetable. Vegetables can be in many forms, okay, but the major benefits of vegetables, it is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, and more so over vitamins, which are called as micronutrients. बहुत ही कम, quantities में जरूरी है, but they are important. If there are deficiency of microvitamins in your body, then you will end up having major health issues. Okay, vitamin A hai, vitamin E hai, there are some plant sources which are amazing. Okay, then you have these antioxidants. So your vegetables are rich in antioxidants. At the pandemic, when we are talking about, how to increase immunity, okay, vegetable plays a very important role. Of course, it also depends on how you're cooking it, how you're consuming it, how much you're consuming. So the quality, quantity, speed, it depends कि आपकी immunity कितनी ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है और आप क्या ले रहे हो, what category you're taking more. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that is one very great benefit. Okay, to keep your skin glowing. Okay, to keep your hair healthy, to be at the optimum and vital level. आप carbohydrates खा रहे हो, proteins खा रहे हो, but if you are not having those small teeny weeny, microvitamins and minerals, then you will not feel energetic. You will not feel very, vital. Okay? अगर आप चाहते हो कि skin glow हो, अगर आपके hair अच्छे हो, certain specific vegetables have to be had or consumed. And so that's why, this topic is there so that, there is the right knowledge, which are imparted to people as to why vegetables, because it's one of the most ignorant category, trust me.
Right.
एक बार fruit ignore नहीं होता इतना, but we all know vegetables very ignored. कुछ
हम
भी
सब
खा लो
दूर
यार, कैसे
भागते
भी
हैं.
खा लो, कैसे भी खा लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है टाइप्स.
Absolutely. I think we all run away from vegetables because we feel that it's just not having any kind of nutrients, so it's like efforts to eat it. उससे अच्छा दाल रोटी खा लो या दाल चावल खा लो, but vegetables को skip कर दो, like that is.
Exactly. And trust me, I think the way we have conditioned and brought up, okay, vegetable seems to be more like a punishment than a blessing. So,
Right.
this perception when it changes, trust me, it helps in weight loss. It helps in controlling your sugar levels. It brings your cholesterol levels down. It keeps your gut, your stomach really healthy, helps in digestion. And once you have a happy stomach, you become happy, and we all know that. Right, so there
Right.
are any number of benefits of vegetables, and this is time about to take it really seriously, because not many people are talking about. Many people want to talk about weight loss and they want to talk about cardiac issues, but nobody wants to really go to the roots and cure from the roots, you know
Absolutely right.
so that's the reason this is really an important topic.
Great. So let's get to our next question is why should one consume vegetables? Is there anything more elaborative that you would like to talk about? Or we can take our next question or what you would say,
It will make
however
you
you say.
fuller. See, if I tell you in a very simple language, if your meal is just dal chawal, ya dahi chawal, okay, if there is no vegetable or salad or any form of vegetables, then it is very difficult for you to feel fuller. You're getting me. So it gives you that satiety value. Okay, so when you eat or crunch that salad, okay, when you crunch salad, when you actually see the different colors of your vegetables in salad on your platter, trust me, it is food for your eyes. Okay, it's a very, your brain starts getting satisfied when you keep on seeing that. So I
Right.
can go on the benefits of the
I know,
vegetables.
yeah,
They're
I can relate to
innumerable,
you.
and I'm sure you also know that.
Absolutely. So let's get to our next question is what are the healthiest vegetables on planet?
Many, I mean, I would say all vegetables, but there are these particular categories of vegetable which are extremely important, okay, and which you cannot avoid, and which you have to take. And I think it's you have to now make conscious efforts to include it in some or the other form. Okay, so let me go through quickly, some of them. Okay, the first, and sabka pyara vegetable, a very nice looking vegetable which is called as carrot. Okay, carrots. जब carrot आता है तो उसका benefit क्या आता है? The first thing that pops in your mind is eyes. It's very good for your eyes. But also let me tell you, it's a very good liver cleanser. Okay, and all these vegetables help a lot in arresting the growth of cancer cells. Okay, it helps you boost your immunity level. So antioxidant provider. So any deep color, dark color vegetable, the more the darker the vegetable, the more the beneficial it is.
So even the
Okay.
green in that context, the dark green.
Yes. So coming to the next, dark green leafy vegetables, you need to include in some or the other form. There are numerous ways. In fact, Dhwani, you can actually add that, a little, once I'm done with discussing about this, I would really appreciate if you could, help us that how these vegetables that I'm talking about could be included in our daily diet. So yes,
Absolutely,
vegetables
yes.
more so over spinach. So if you're having spinach on regular basis, iron, calcium, okay, certain B6 vitamin, okay, all these छोटे microvitamins are fulfilled, So one needs to really, really take those very seriously and include. And trust me, there are very innovative ways to include it in our diet. But yes, a conscious effort has to be made. Initially, the efforts are there, and then when you get used to, and trust me on this, it's my experience, vegetables can be addictive. Okay, it can be addictive. So once you get used to those lovely salads, crispy salads, that lovely flavor of salads, okay, aroma of salads, and your vegetables, you can get addicted to it. Okay.
Yes, I will agree with you.
The third vegetable, which are really one of the best ones, are your bell peppers. Okay, your green color, yellow color, red color bell peppers. You can include in variety of food. I make soup of bell peppers. Okay, and it turns out to be just simply amazing. You won't even make out that this is a soup. Oh wow! All right.
Yeah.
So that is there. Orange color bell pepper is one of the most healthiest. It has the maximum amount of beta carotene into it. That is your just your vitamin A, which is readily in an absorbable, you know, form. So bell peppers. Okay. Another category is your cruciferous vegetables. Okay. Cruciferous vegetables are your cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, us family ke, they are called as cruciferous. Cruciferous is equal to cancer fighting vegetables. They arrest the tumor growth. Okay, they fight cancer like anything. I mean, if you cook it well, if you consume it well, trust me, they are also very good. Your friends of your genes, so your genetic makeup. Okay, they can arrest or prevent a lot of chronic diseases in the future. This category, because they have a compound called as sulfolophanes, okay, which fight all this. And even thyroid patients can have it. Okay, there is way of cooking it. Even they can have. Otherwise, they totally avoid karte hain. Okay, there is another category which is called as onion and garlic. Okay, and they are one of the most amazing vegetable on this earth. Okay, need to be consumed raw. Garlic can be cooked, but onion, आप जितना raw लेंगे, the benefits are higher. Okay, today we use onion for your hair also, for your skin. You use it internally. Okay, गाँव में अगर आप जाओगे, so onions are used by farmers. Imagine they just have a rotla and onion, and this gives them so much of strength because they have they really help you digest your food well, increase the gut microbial flora. They increase a good bacteria which helps you in digestion. So if you're having any issues, okay, of digestion, little slices of onion is a must in your food. But make sure you do not cooking it. Okay. Same goes with your tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene antioxidant. Very good for your skin. Very good for your health. Okay. But if you cook them, okay, amazing source of vitamin C. But if you cook them, it's gone.
Yeah, I don't
Now,
like
क्या हो
tomatoes
सकता है?
cooked any which ways. I like it very, very. With the fresher you eat, like when you cut, vitamin C is so like it's so easily absorbed that it
Yes.
loses its thing even in your cutting it. So it's better to have them fresh. That's what I feel.
Fresh. Yes, yes. So जो सैलेड खाते हैं, जो नॉर्मल रेस्टोरेंट्स में जो सैलेड मिलता है स्लाइस करके, अनियन, टमाटर, मूली, गाजर, one of the best things to have.
I agree. I totally agree, and I love that. वो चाट मसाला डाल के with the नींबू, oh ho. My mouth is started watering right now.
So one thing is there that if you avoid or if you go very slow on the salt content of it, I mean, if you don't put table salt on it and have it with lime, the nutritional value increases all the more.
So you
Okay, so
suggest
that
not
is
to put the chaat masala?
not much. I mean,
Yeah.
very little. And जैसे आप lime डालोगे, the requirement of salt also reduces.
Yes.
Okay, because lime enhances the salt ka taste. So
Yeah.
which all of my blood pressure patients do when they have low salt diets. Okay, so they compensate by putting a lot of lime into it. Okay,
Yes.
and as I was just telling you about microgreens, okay, this is one category that actually there are two categories that I want to forget. One is microgreens. Microgreens are nothing, जो seeds हैं आपके टमाटर के, मेथी, coriander. Just take those seeds. There are ample of videos available on YouTube as to how you can grow microgreens. Okay, just you can actually grow them at your house. 7 to 10 to 12 days लगेंगे to grow a microgreen. You don't have to cook them. You just need to chop them and sprinkle them on your salads, on your dal, on your rice. Don't cook them. Now, why am I really emphasizing so much on microgreens? Is because it's आपने वो लाइन सुना है, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका, right? Exactly, microgreens does the same. Okay, it has 40 times more nutritional value than the average vegetable. Okay, so when you grow a microgreen, the nutritional value is 40 times higher. Can you imagine? The vitamin C content, the vitamin B6, B content, the B complex, the vitamin A, everything increases. And you know what? It's a very smart thing to grow and eat microgreens.
Yeah. I think I
Okay.
should do a video on that.
You
How to
should,
grow
you
your own
should.
microgreens.
Yeah, and it is so simple. I mean, genuinely, it is so simple to do. Okay, it takes care of so many diseases like heart disease, your Alzheimer's. Okay, for that matter, it lowers the risk of diabetes, obesity. Ample of that. Ample of that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So and it is like you just chop them and they look so cute. They may have a particular flavor and they may not have absolutely any flavor. So, this is how you can use, and this is one category which is trending now. Okay, and it's a very smart thing to inculcate them in the diet. Rather than spending on vitamins, multivitamins, I would really want y'all to, put efforts into growing them.
I think that's very well said. Because we don't understand the importance of small things, the benefits that they could have on us. So as you rightly said, it's better to invest in growing these microgreens than spending into these multivitamins that are available in the market, the synthetic products that are there. Rather than switching from
Absolutely.
natural to synthetic, it's always preferable to go natural.
I mean, just imagine if you're throwing a few leaves onto your salad, onto your dal, into your raita, or धनिया के जगह पे आप जीरा rice में just chop your microgreens and put. I mean, what can be more smarter than this? You can put it in your smoothie. Okay. So there are so many ways I think you can include microgreens in your diet. Okay. And the best thing is they reduce inflammation. And as I have spoken in my previous videos also, uh, powerhouse, microgreens and the leafy greens are powerhouse to reduce inflammation in your body. Because any disease, you name any disease, even obesity, starts with inflammation. So it's best to, switch over gradually.
Perfect. So let's quickly get to our next question, which is how to encourage kids to eat more vegetables, which I
Oh,
think a
wow.
lot of people would relate to.
Yes, 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 yes. And I am too very excited to share this, okay? Because this question keeps on coming to me, and vegetable or kids ka, the relation is not really that great, right? But trust me on this, Dhwani, what I have seen is this relation that is not that great between vegetables and kids. Somewhere we as adults, we as mothers are responsible for that. क्योंकि बचपन से नहीं दिया, हमको खुद को नहीं पसंद है. So that conditioning, oh, bread, wow. But gajar, oh, you know. So basically, the first way of inculcating vegetables is role model. Okay. Uh, if you do it, it's always in case of kids, whatever happens is monkey see, monkey do. So if they see you eating, they think it's normal. I mean, and they also may feel that you're missing something. I'm missing something, when
Yes.
I'm not having vegetables. So that is one very good way of including. The earlier you start, okay, like you can start with fruits and vegetable pulps and juices, infancy से 0 से लेकर 3 years तक. If you can introduce vegetables and all type of vegetables, even for that matter, karela, the child develops that taste, remembers that the cells remember the taste for lifelong. So it is very important to introduce it ASAP, as early as possible in your earlier life. I have given my child all possible, all possible vegetables. So now they may not have a little in the early years, but they can have it gradually, right? The third point here is that you should have a one bite meal. Okay, a one bite rule.
What do you
Dhwani?
mean by that?
Okay. I thought you're getting stuck up somewhere. Okay.
No, no. What do you mean by that? One
One
bite
bite
rule.
is whatever is cooked in the house. Okay. It is very compulsory. It's a rule. You have to include it in the child has to taste and has to taste the entire bite. Okay. And one needs to be more consistent with that. So that's a one bite rule. अगर आज मैंने cabbage बनाया है, आप एक रोटी के टुकड़े के साथ have a little cabbage, have that full bite. So that's a one bite rule. Okay, and the child has to finish it. फिर बाद में मत लो. Okay, by nagging and by pushing the child will never have vegetables. I can guarantee that. Okay, so
Yes.
start with a one bite rule. Give it more often. Okay, make it more consistent. Okay, the another way of introducing any vegetable is if you want to introduce, for example, say beet. Okay, make variety of things of beet in the whole week and declare in the house that this is a beet week. Okay, so there
Yeah.
will be a juice, there will be a smoothie, there will be a soup. Okay, there will be a salad, there will beet, everything. The garnish will be of beet. So the child knows, and you can actually discuss the nutritional value or the importance of including vegetable of that particular vegetable. So the child relates to it.
Hmm.
Okay, and as we all know, making the meal as presentable. बच्चा डब्बा खोलता है and when he sees something nice decorated with that vegetable, he may not know what the vegetable is, but he wants to eat. वो smiley का मुझे eyebrow खाना है. If it is made of that capsicum, for example. Okay. So the child is very much interested in doing that. So that is one very good way of, you know, introducing these vegetables openly. There are a lot of hidden ways where you can push it into parathas, you can make it into a smoothie, in a juice, fruit and a vegetable, in a soup. Okay, आप vegetable, आप rice के बदले आप पुलाव दे सकते हैं. Okay, so there are a lot of ways where you can hide your vegetable and give. But I suggest that this is the way where there is a very healthy interaction, communication, and knowledge about the vegetable, which is encourage the child to start eating vegetable and stop saying, for God's sake, parents, stop saying this to yourself and to your kid and in front of the kid, मेरा बच्चा vegetable नहीं खाता. जितना आप ये बोलोगे उतना वो और नहीं खाएगा. He will not eat. Okay? Say no, he's very nice, he's trying new vegetables and he's going to eat. Encourage them. The more you encourage, I guarantee they will start eating. So these are few ways, okay, of introducing. I may have missed some, but yeah, these are the quick few ways of introducing vegetables.
That's really helpful and interesting and amazing. I think many of us will relate to it. So thank you for addressing this, Ria.
Yeah,
And let's quickly get to our last question is what are the 6 tips that you tell or you suggest people to start or to have the vegetables in their diet? How to get
okay.
them in your diet?
Quickly, 6 tips. First thing is, have innovative ways of introducing vegetables. Don't get boring, guys. सिर्फ सब्जी में ही खाऊंगा, सिर्फ सूप में ही पीऊंगा. No, there are so many other ways. I think, Dhwani, you can, share after this that how you can include vegetables. Okay, so you have to try innovative ways of pushing vegetables in your meal. Okay, another tip is that you need to take कितना खाना है vegetable दिन में. That this is enough. When you look at your plate, okay, half of your plate has to be full with vegetables. और वो जो half है उसमें से all your other vegetables and the other half can be filled with root and tubers. Your sweet potatoes, your carrot, your potatoes, it can be filled. So 1/4 and 1/4. So that वो होता है half. So that is the second thing. Okay. Third thing is whenever you're cooking vegetables, okay, cut it as big as you can and cook it as less as you can. This will keep the nutritive value intact. Okay, and you will start enjoying the taste of it. Okay, बहुत vegetables. Our Indian diet is full of so much of variety. Try that. Try that. There are अभी तो YouTube भी है, सब है, and people like you, who really will make all the food interesting. So that is that. So yes, so that's my third one. Okay. Never overcook the vegetables, guys. If you overcook it, and even if you're having everything, like every possible vegetable, you will lose the nutritive value. और वो मजा भी नहीं आएगा ओवर कुक सब्जी खाने का. Okay, so that is it. There is no replacement for vegetable. So don't go for multivitamins or any other quick fixes because there is no replacement for vegetable and salad. मैंने देख लिया and trust me, there is nothing. Okay, and so start introducing vegetables in your every meal. Every meal, trust me, it will be wonderful to do that. And last tip, okay, add a lot of colorful vegetable in your plate. The moment your eyes see a lot of colors, okay, it is very inviting. The food becomes very inviting. You will love to have it. Okay, very small tips that I have given you, but they're very effective. Okay,
Absolutely. I think,
these are my
I mean, I can
tips for
relate to them.
And Dhwani, now if you could, quickly tell us that what could be the possible ways of introducing vegetables, it will be amazing.
So, thank you, Ria, first of all, for answering my questions in such an effective and elaborative way where everybody could really benefit from it. Now, let's get to my thing where we will start understanding how to incorporate these vegetables in our diet, in our day-to-day basis. So, as you rightly said, half plate should be filled with vegetables and half plate should be of other stuff, which is carbs, proteins, and everything. So we
Exactly.
can include our vegetables in the form of soup, as you have said. So you can make soups of various vegetables, one ingredient with lasan and kanda. If you don't eat lasan and kanda, you can make it with other elements. That's not a problem. But you can take 1 or 2 vegetables max, mix them, and have a soup of it. Then the best way is to have it as a salad where you're putting all your vegetables in a different way. And I think Oh Mind Your Body is the answer for that.
And making it
And
amazingly healthy by putting a lot of different kind of dressing, right? That's where Oh My Body really comes into picture.
yeah, thank you so much. Then you can always inculcate in your parathas. So you can take one vegetable at a time and inculcate or just grate it or mash it or something and put it in your paratha dough and use that vegetable itself with the juice and not use water. So suppose, for example, if you're taking any atta,
Okay.
grate the vegetable so the water comes out, and you can mix that vegetable and then use that water to mold the atta. So in that way, you are not
Right.
losing any nutrient.
Right. I remember my, what I used to do is when my child used to not have spinach or anything, I used to grind it, and pani ke jagah pe I used to use that juice, beet ka juice or spinach juice. So
Yeah,
roti
yeah.
also becomes colorful, like green and red.
Yeah. That is what these colorful rotis, puris, momos, all these things are coming up, is using all these juices. Using all these juices to mold the atta so that the color of the atta becomes this color. So for your red color or your pink color, always use your beetroot. Then for your green color, you can use palak or methi. I think palak is very commonly used. Then for your purple color, you can use the purple cabbage, like, or the blue color that comes, the purple cabbage gives it a very nice color.
Correct.
Then for your white color, normally you can just put it in kanda. It gives a nice flavor also. When you, uh, make your dough in kanda, it gives a very
Uh-huh.
nice flavor to it and no color.
Wow.
So if your child is, fidgety about the color, you can try incorporating all these colorless vegetables in their diets by just grating it as fine as possible. So that
Super.
really is very effective again. Then you can, so I always use one green, one watery vegetable, as you said. So one palak, then one dudi in a watery, then one uh, pudina or kothmari or like the coriander. So any uh, flavoring agent which is mint, coriander, or something like that sort. So use one watery, one green, or then you can use your microgreens, or you can use your mint or coriander in it. You can just add all of these elements in your food one at a time, not all together. So a combination of these, you can add it to your attas and make different flavors of rotis for your child, like flavors of
Wow.
paratha basically. सो आप राजगीरा आटा ले लो, उसके साथ आप कॉम्बिनेशन डालो, फिर आप नाचनी का आटा ले लो, उसके साथ आप
That's wonderful.
कॉम्बिनेशन डालो, फिर रागी का मतलब ज्वारी का आटा ले लो, उसके साथ अलग वेजिटेबल्स के कॉम्बिनेशन डालो. सो द मेथड इज द सेम, but the ingredients that you're using will change the flavors of the food. That can really be very helpful and effective in making your food
Absolutely.
tasty and healthy.
Absolutely. This excites the adult also, when they see different color rotis in your plate.
Yeah,
It's
totally.
interesting, no?
So yeah, that is one thing. Then you can also start incorporating them in your rice. So instead of having a normal rice, you can eat cauliflower rice. You can eat broccoli rice. You can start making tikkis out of it. Instead of making it with those attas and all, so you can use a lot of vegetables with little bit of atta, make tikkis and pack it with your child. So give them bread, but give them the sticky also. So they're having a
Oh yeah.
mix of it. Then instead of having the pizzas that are available on the normal breads, you can make the pizza on jawari ka atta ka base so that they're eating it healthy, and put the vegetables of their choice. So barter with them. If you eat it like this, I will eliminate one vegetable for you. So that all these things really help in making the child eat vegetables. Apart from that, how to eat vegetables for even us adults is to start switching one vegetable at a time, not incorporating all the vegetables together, but
The
having
mixed
it,
one. Hmm.
yeah. But the roti formula that I said, no, the paratha formula, that really works a lot. Then you can make dosas out of it. So like that, the batter आप रोटी बना रहे हो ना, आप वैसे ही बैटर्स में उसके डोसा बना लो. So you can make dosas
Okay.
out of it, yeah. With the vegetables.
Perfect.
So for example, take rajgira ka atta, put in your any one leafy vegetable, which can be methi. Then you can add one watery vegetable, which could be say cucumber. Thank you, Saraswati. So yeah, you can add in one cucumber. Then you can add in your pudina. You can add in green chilies if you like it, salt, pepper, and you can make your dosa batter. Add curd to it if you want, to make it more nutritious. And then you can make a batter out of it, like depending on the consistency you're looking at, and enjoy it. So now this recipe remains standard. You can just shift your attas.
Absolutely. That's a brilliant idea, actually.
Thank you so much.
That's a
So
brilliant
that is
idea,
how you
actually.
can start incorporating healthy meals and foods and vegetables in your diet.
Isn't this so exciting, finding out new ways of introducing vegetables in your daily diet is in itself a very interesting topic, okay? Because I just love those lovely colors in my plate. Imagine
Yeah.
it would have been so boring agar se wheat, dal, wo yellow color and white color hota. Ah, it brings so much of life, right?
But I would like to conclude above all, I think salads are the best way to have any kind of
Yes,
vegetables because
definitely.
they are available in the best and the highest form of nutrient value that we are looking at.
Absolutely. So as I said, the less cooked, the better. Because you will kill your own vegetables by just overcooking it just for taste, because there are people who cook and who vomit and vomit and vomit and vomit again and again, right? So I think it was amazing. Okay, I hope people got some kind of knowledge, some tips, as to how to include vegetables in our diet, right?
Thank you, Ria. Really, thanks a lot for answering all these
Thank you.
questions and addressing it in such a beautiful way. So, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank
So,
you
yeah,
for
guys,
making
yeah.
the tips, more doable by your suggestions, right? Because then, people also would really be happy to understand that, yes, this is doable. If she's telling this can be doable like that. So, yeah, I think that this works.
Great.
Thank
So,
you for having
yes,
me, Dhwani.
thank you. Thank you, Ria. I'll see
Bye
you
bye.
next
See you next
Wednesday.
week.
Yeah,
Yes.
next week, next Wednesday, 6 p.m.
Yes. Bye
Bye.
bye. See you.
Bye. Yeah. So here we are, guys, signing off. Dwani Gala, founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi across Mumbai and teach you all amazing people how to make some amazing, tasty, and healthy food. So see you next Wednesday, 6 p.m. with another interesting episode on something interesting. Tata, bye.